Hey everyone, TechNinja here with the video for you guys. Now, if you're getting a message that says iPhone is too close, keeping your iPhone at arm's length can protect your eyesight. This is how you can go ahead and fix this and also turn this off so you don't get this. But first thing to keep in mind that if you're getting this, it's because of course your eyes might be too close. It just wants to protect you, but there is a setting that you can turn off so you don't get this any longer. So in order to find this setting, first thing you're going to do is go to your setting on your iPhone. From your settings here, you're going to scroll down to screen time, and then under screen time here you're going to see screen distance right here. And this setting that tells screen distance, basically to reduce strain, it's turned on to protect your eyes. But if you don't want that, or you find that it's just turning on for some reason and you want to turn it off, you just simply turn that off and then go back and ensure that it's turned off, and you will no longer get this iPhone is too close error message on your iPhone. So that's how you fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.